Meet the 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid EX, a mid-size SUV that's rewriting the rulebook for what it means to drive a fuel-efficient, stylish, and family-friendly ride. This year's model brings an exciting refresh with sleek lines, a bold front grille, and striking LED headlights that give it a confident, high-end look from every angle. It's a head-turner on the streets and a true blend of modern elegance and athletic charm. The 19-inch alloy wheels and smooth profile don't just look good. They'd hint at the dynamic driving experience that lies beneath the hood. Underneath that refined exterior is a smart hybrid powertrain combining a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with an electric motor delivering a total of 227 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque. What does that mean for you? Effortless acceleration, smooth highway cruising, and surprisingly nimble handling, all while sipping fuel at a rate that'll make your wallet smile. The 2025 Sorento Hybrid EX doesn't just move, it glides. Thanks to its responsive steering and finely tuned suspension, you get the perfect balance of comfort and control, whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on long weekend getaways. Step inside, and the Sorento Hybrid EX greets you with a spacious, upscale cabin filled with thoughtful touches and top-notch materials. The second-row captain's chairs make it easy to slide into the third row. Yes, it seats up to 6. While heated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and a leather-wrapped steering wheel give you a taste of luxury without the premium price tag. The panoramic sunroof opens up the cabin to natural light, enhancing the overall driving experience with a sense of openness and airiness that's simply refreshing. Technology lovers, rejoice! The 2025 Sorento Hybrid EX packs in a vibrant 13.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easier than ever to stay connected on the go. Plus, you get a digital instrument cluster that's both customizable and easy to read at a glance. Safety? It's top tier. With features like forward collision avoidance, blind spot monitoring, smart cruise control, and lane keeping assist, this SUV's got your back, literally. What really sets the 2025 Sorento Hybrid EX apart is how it blends practicality, tech, and style into one cohesive package. It's efficient without sacrificing performance, luxurious without breaking the bank, and family-ready without feeling like a compromise. If you're looking for a hybrid SUV that truly does it all, this just might be your perfect match.